Playing with the rules. Lowercase letters for emphasis in informal English. Hello, English language learners. Today we're going to explore an interesting aspect of informal English writing, using lowercase letters for emphasis. In traditional, formal English, we always capitalize the first letter of a sentence and proper nouns. But in an informal setting, people often break these rules to express emotion or emphasize a certain point. Let's dive right in. In the informal, digital world of text messages, emails, social media, and casual writing, you may notice something unusual. Words or even whole sentences written in lowercase letters when standard rules say they should be capitalized. This is a creative way people use to emphasize a point, create a mood, or express a certain feeling. For example, imagine a friend texts you saying, "I can't believe it." The lack of capitalization here may give you the feeling of surprise, or that the sender is overwhelmed. Lowercase letters can give a sense of being informal, spontaneous, or emotional. Let's look at some examples. 1. No way. This could be used to express disbelief or surprise. 2. I miss you. The use of lowercase can create a sense of intimacy or vulnerability. 3. Please don't go. Here, lowercase letters can be used to express a pleading or desperate tone. Remember, these usages are only appropriate in informal settings. In formal writing, these examples would be considered incorrect. Try to use this technique in your own writing. Send a text to a friend, write a social media post, or jot down a casual note. See how using lowercase letters can change the tone and meaning of your message. Here's a practice sentence. I can't wait to see you. Think about the feeling you want to convey, and how changing the capitalization might affect that. Maybe you want to show extreme excitement. I can't wait to see you. Or perhaps a more subtle anticipation. I can't wait to see you. We hope this exploration of lowercase letters for emphasis in informal English has been insightful. Remember, it's an expressive technique that can add a unique touch to your informal writing. As always, keep practicing and playing with language. Language is an art, and you are the artist. See you next time.